Welcome to the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show, built by Parr Lumber. Your Weekend Warriors, Tony and Corey.
Hey, Tony and Corey here. We're back in the Weekend Warriors studio with Mike Bagley. We are hanging out talking about this product right in front of us called Parallam. PSL is another word for it. This is an extremely unique product that Weyerhaeuser is the only one in the country that makes it.
It's a beautiful product, really warm color. It's made out of Douglas fir, and the name saying Parallam, it's parallel long strands of lumber that all get glued together, put through a microwave, and it makes a billet. And we have from 3.5 inch up to 7 inch wide, but clear up to 24 inches deep.
That's incredible.
They are huge.
You brought a couple unique art pieces with you. We've got a softball bat or a baseball bat.
How in the world did that come to be?
It's a turned Parallam bat, a promotion we had, and it's a beautiful, little different use for Parallam. Yeah. It's got a real unique look to it, as well as a actual Parallam made out of our Parallam.
My wife actually asked me to make some shelves for inside the house, which I did. I sanded it down nice and smooth, and I've got at least 3 shelves in my house made out of this product. People ask about it.
I've seen some pretty creative applications. So as far as an architectural detail, because of that warm color, you can leave that beam exposed in your ceiling and put a clear finish on it or a stain, and it looks beautiful. I've seen staircases, so the stair riser and the treads had stained a dark color or 2 different colors, very dramatic look to it. And even the clear, that real blonde wood, looks really nice with a clear finish on it. There's a column that we have right here. I've seen in hotels and homes, they've used the column as a fireplace mantle. It's just a gorgeous looking product.
Anywhere where you could see bare wood or stained wood being used for something, this would replace that. This literally can and would replace it and look super, unique.
The best one I've seen, and I would not recommend it, but I've actually seen a truck bumper made out of Parallam.
Really? There are some creative minds out there for sure.
I've seen where they've taken Parallam and filled all of the little cracks and crevices with colored epoxy.
Oh yeah, that would be very cool looking.
And then put a clear coat over it. I've seen these as bar tops. What are some other unique projects?
I've seen it in office counters, dentist office, any kind of business office. I've seen some very large tables, conference room table made out of Parallam. It makes a great surface. And then epoxy, I've seen them a blue dye epoxy, a red dye epoxy. I've seen them as a bar top, and it looks very unique.
This is the superior product in spanning widths, carrying loads, and so cool looking. You can kind of get mesmerized looking at it. I feel like I want to make a wallet out of this. That would be cool.
A wallet?
Yeah, you think is that something I could do? Or
you can make paneling down the side of your car.
Paneling, yeah, it'll be like a Woody. This is a very cool product, super versatile, can be used for anything. It's very strong, it looks beautiful, and it is readily available right now. Call Parr Lumber, tell them that you want to get some Parallam on order for whatever you're using it for, and it is ready to go. Built by the genius minds at Trust Joist by Weyerhaeuser.
If you got any questions or comments, you can leave those down below, or you can check out wy.com, that's Weyerhaeuser, for more information, or you can email us, weekendwarriors@parr.com. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos.
And check out the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show wherever you listen to your podcasts.
We'll see you next time.